Lasso Pepula, hi everyone. This is Doma Tamang.
And Lasso Pepula and myself, Indira Tamang.
We are going to present Tamang traditional song, Zambor Lingla Thungsa, which means creation of world.
This song is composed by Dhawa Wangel Tamang from Sindhupalchok, Nepal. He said that he got inspired by one of our traditional instrument, damfu, which I'm playing in the video. The chorus of the song, Ammaila, Ammaila, khailala, is one of the most important chorus as it holds history. Back then, when damfu was designed by Pem Dorji Tamang, he used to play and sing far into the wood in memory of his late mother. Remembering all his pain and grievances, songwriters and composer remarked this line or a chorus as the most significant in any Tamang traditional song. I got the opportunity to learn this masterpiece of Dhawa Wangel sir back in 2021 when I was one of the contestants in Miss Tamang World. We have another important musical instrument called tungna, which my brother is playing in the video. These two instruments are more than enough for a Tamang song to sound beautiful. They say no one can resist dancing on their bed. If you have seen Tamang traditional dance, you can feel the liveliness, bliss, never-ending steps and togetherness among the dancers. They also say even non-dancers, introvert people groove listening to our beat. We are so much rich in culture and tradition, even with the meaningful works our ancestors have done. Women empowerment concept was there since our history. Our mothers are powerful. They even let women to hold political powers. Likewise, our ornaments, our foods, festivals are created to celebrate womanhood, togetherness, and peace.